there, 8th grade. Got our learning target. We got lesson 24. Learning target, I can add and subtract decimal numbers. A fairly simple lesson today. I'm going to be doing problems 1 through 20. Here are a few notes. Big thing you got to remember about decimals, we're adding and subtracting is we got to line up our decimals. We got to put them on top of one another. Let me grab my pencil. We got 12.5. We have 3.75. It's really important. My decimals are right on top of one another. And 2. If I want to put 2.0, I like to add zeros just so we have everything filled in at the end here. Those are all lined up. It's really easy to see. 0, 5, and 0 is going to give us 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. So 2, carry the 1. We bring that decimal straight down. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 3 is 6, 7, 8. And 1. And we get 18.25 or 18 and 1/4. Same thing with subtraction. We're going to go 5.2 minus 2.88. We're going to fill that in with a 0. You might remember from elementary, you can't take 0 from 8, so we're going to have to borrow. It's going to become 1. This becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Can't do 1 minus 8, so again, we need to borrow. This becomes 4. 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. Bring our decimal down, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So we get 2.32. Our line across and our line straight down the middle. And I'm going to help you with problem number 1. Let's switch one over. Da-da-da. Here we are. Arena ran 1/2 a mile. 1/2 a mile in 3.5 minutes. At that rate, how long would it take her to run 2 miles? All right, let me switch on over to here. So she does a 1/2 mile in 3.5 minutes, and she wants to know how much she can do in 2 miles. Okay, so at that rate, we need to figure out 2. So in order to do that, and we don't know what this is, we got to figure out how many 1/2s are in 2. We got 1/2, 1, 1 1/2, 2. So there's 4 1/2s in 2. In other words, you've got to times this by 4 in order to get up to that. So we have to do the same thing right here. We have to multiply this by 4. Well, 3 times 4 is 12. And we just know 1/2 times 4 is 2. So 12 plus 2 is going to give us 14 minutes for number 1. And then we're going to close that box up. And we're going to write number 2 down here. Again, you're going to be doing problems 1 through